Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys this application for your Mac. It's called HiddenMe. And if you like me and you have a messy desktop, you know it gets annoying to try to organize it real quick or throw it into a folder. So instead, there's this nice handy utility application called HiddenMe that you can go ahead and install for free, and then you can actually go ahead and one click and your desktop is completely clean. So you can do a lot of cool things, such as when you start up your computer, it automatically hides all the files and folders located on your desktop. Or you can go ahead and set custom commands. I went ahead and set Command R, so I just press that and boom, real quick, my desktop is clean. You can also double tap onto the screen with your mouse and they'll go ahead and hide your application. So it's a nice, cool application. I'll link it down below. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful and subscribe back to the channel for more tech tips. And this your boy Tay signing out. Peace.